two numbers whose sum is 12 and the absolute value of whose difference is 4 are the roots of equation. Which equation among these four? See here, these are the equations. X square minus 12x plus 30, x square minus 12x plus 32 equals to 0, 2x square minus 6x plus 7 equals to 0, and 2x square minus 24x plus 43 equals to 0. So out of these four we have to find the equation. Now sum is 12 and absolute value of the difference is 4. Absolute value means let any number be bigger, and let if you subtract it, if you get a minus sign, make it plus. That's the meaning of absolute value. So what is given? A plus b. Let a and b be the numbers. So a plus b equals to 12, right? And a minus b equals to 4. Absolute value. Solve them. Therefore add them. What you get? 2a equals to 12 plus 4 16. A equals to 8 and b equals to, then substitute it. You will get b equals to 4. Now 8 and 4. Now check 8 4s are 32. Means what? You will have to check in the equation which has 32 at the end, because that only will be the answer. So B is the answer. So x square minus 12x plus 32 equals to 0 is the equation whose two numbers whose sum is are the roots of, means these numbers are the roots of this equation only. Okay. Next, if the roots of the equation a square plus b square into x square minus 2b into a plus c into x plus b square plus c square equals to 0 are equal, then find the relationship between